Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on settings and privacy at very last. And after this, you can just simply scroll down, tap on content preferences in the content and display section. And after this, you can now tap on the second option, that is restricted mode. And here you can now turn off. You can just simply enter your passcode that you set, and you can now tap on next, and it is a way you can disable restricted mode on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.